Want your favorite song to play smoothly across multiple Instagram stories? Here's the easiest way to do it. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if this helps you out. First, open the Instagram app and tap the plus icon at the bottom center. Then select Story. Capture or upload your first photo or video. Then tap the music icon at the top. Choose your song and slide the timeline to set your starting point. For example, start at 13 seconds. After posting that story, repeat the same process for the next photo or video, but this time begin the song at 16 seconds or wherever the last story ended. This keeps the music flowing between clips. The trick is to adjust the start time manually for each story so the track plays continuously across them. It's a bit manual but works great for short story series. Let me know if this helped, and if you're stuck, drop a comment below.